you might want to create a Python program that expects command line arguments, just like this Python program itself that receives the name of our Python file as an argument. Now we can extend this, take it to the next level, and supply additional arguments here. These arguments can be the name of a user, their email, their password, whatever. So on the top, we import the sys module. This module has an attribute called argv, short for argument variables. So let's print that on the terminal. Now, back on the terminal, let's execute this command. We get an array of 4 items. The first item is always the name of our Python program. So even if we don't supply any arguments, we'll get an array of 1 item. After that, we have all these arguments represented as separate items. With this, we can do something interesting like this. We can get the length of this array, and if it equals to 1, that means the user has not supplied any arguments, because as I told you, this array always has at least 1 item, and that is the name of our file. So we can print a usage message like python3 app.py, and after that we expect a password. Otherwise, assuming that the user has supplied this argument, we can read it like this: password equals sys.argv1, and then we can print it on the terminal like this. Back on the terminal, let's run python3 app.py. We get the usage message, beautiful. Now if we pass 1, 2, 3, 4, that will be considered the password.